with us here today to enjoy the sunshine and enjoy the return of the proper season against Ipswich. Testimony too to the condition that so many of these players have returned from holidays and internationals in.
It's very warm, very humid in the stadium, but looking forward to the games today. Interesting enough, the man has done a great thing. He's playing this game at 12:30, 6 days' time, playing Ipswich. Kick-off time, 12:30. Get the preparation right for that.
The world next Saturday lunchtime, 45 minutes that turned into 60 and 70 for those in the box seat to start that game. It will be the entirety for most.
At the moment, he's been given licence to get forward as well.
And Salah gets forward as well and almost moved into that 9 position. It's a good ball behind the back four of Sevilla as well, and it had to be quick from Nyland, who gets that danger clear.
Oh, great defending there from the goalkeeper.
With a lot to do. He's got support now from Diogo Jota. You see these players, you know, after games, there's no player like it in the Premier League that you see with the kind of cuts and bruises that you see. Diogo Simicus lively again. He's got the other side here of Benavides. Couldn't find the cross that Diogo Jota was waiting for.
Any part of his legs or whatever, just holding his the right side of his head. They might have just took a knock with a challenge.
Diogo Jota. Suso too has looked lively, but that was an unfair challenge from Alexis McAllister.
I think that's a couple of occasions where Tanguy and Diogo Jota have come together.
He does tell them. Oh, that's a mistake from Kwanzaa. And it's a big opportunity here for Sevilla to take the lead, and there's a slip from Salah's joining in on that far side. He's got Diogo Jota just inside him, outnumbered, and it was a good challenge this season. Diaz. It's a good challenge from Benavides. Talk about the physicality before. He's looking fresh here in the Liverpool midfield. Was halted unfairly.
See, I think that's where he does really well, grabbing
under Arnold. Salah looking to take on his full-back again. He's endured in formation. Alexander Arnold's corner is in, and it caused problems as well. Who just got his right hand up in front of it. Oh,
a natural defender.
Won back really well by Gravenberg. Shot is on from Diaz. Just over the top.
Yeah, I mean, he was on to take the shots on. I don't think Mo Salah.
Salah. Natural territory for him. Just an inch or two wide of the paint on that far post of Orjan Nyland, but Liverpool getting closer.
How many times have we seen that? Sees things quicker than most, Alexander Arnold.
Nothing too dissimilar. Szoboszlai. One helped back in as well from Trent Alexander-Arnold. It's an absolute peach from Diogo Jota. He hit the woodwork in pre-season. There was almost a feeling that he was just getting rid of the ring rust, but there was nothing not to admire about the finish from Diogo Jota there. Reaching quite a lot now in the modern coaching manuals, don't we? But so intricate and so into the analysis. They're watching analysis
at the moment.
It was a good attempt at a turn from.
No, that's not a foul. I mean, that's not a foul.
First one that Liverpool face. How do they defend it? It's a header that does come in from Tanguy.
Tanguy was the one there, wasn't he? He should have done a bit better, you know, because he.
And Mo Salah has the pace to catch it up. Is he going to go on his own? He tried to. Diogo Jota cuts the figure of someone disappointed he never got a tap in there.
Well, they've got the length of the field, Liverpool, and they played some wonderful 1- and 2-touch football.
Hard to play on through Jota. It's Diaz again causing problems. Diaz's shot, same corner, same result. A wonderful, wonderful Liverpool goal to make it 2. Quality, plethora of quality, and Liverpool quite deservingly through a player that is just short.
He's not moving freely, Alexander Arnold.
Free kick Liverpool's way. It will give the chance for Alexander Arnold to just alert the bench that he's got an issue down on his whole.
Really impressed with him. I think his positional play is good. He's reading the game, as we see there. Once again, he's in the right position. Normally in possession of the ball.
And away and running is Szoboszlai. And it's a little buffet ball for Luis Diaz. Go and help yourself. All started from Alisson Becker. 2 goals for Luis Diaz. And a first half of dreams for Liverpool as they stare down the start of a new Premier League season. All the signs are super positive.
Yeah, well, there's
Trey Ione. Maybe a last chance for Sevilla from be the Liverpool boss.
All I'd say in that first half is job well done. Keep up the tempo that you had in that first half and make sure you pass the ball in the right way.
There will be a free overlap now from Costas Tsimikas. Nice interplay. The ball wasn't the best though, and just managed to get it clear, Sevilla.
Yeah, Carmona.
Szoboszlai is in. Take a lot for Salah to catch it up. Liverpool have a throw in just in front of the famous for this second half, Nyland. Liverpool straight back in possession again. It was robust, the challenge from Carmona. Chance for Aduke now to attack. It was an aimless cross in, but it almost got lucky from the poor clearance of Costa. Chance for a shot on goal. Comes in this time from Jibril Sow. Again, it was Aduke.
Aduke,
players who only returned last week for Liverpool. There's little up and under again for Salah to chase from Trent Alexander-Arnold. Does it with such consummate. Liverpool are going to make a change in goal soon as well. Alisson Becker is about to break in 10 minutes time. Might see a change or two before then. There was a robust challenge there from McAllister, but there are signs that Liverpool might make a change or two. Tsimikas now to take this corner towards the edge of the 6-yard box. It was a free header for Van Dijk as well, who will be disappointed.
And I don't think he could do a lot more, to be honest, because if you look at where he went, he had to go backwards. He went away from the goal, so he got to generate all the power you see.
Alexander-Arnold, quick feet of his again in. That's a great goal. Wonderful goal from Pepe. Curled into that corner that was so popular in the first half with the Liverpool players. Their second summer signing from Racing Santander. Tsimikas partially cleared. Chance for Nioni. There's a little glimpse of why Liverpool are so excited about this teenager. Operated in a whole range of different positions pre-season. Out wide left. He didn't need any second request to take the corner, left-footed, flighted in, and it's up towards Kwanzaa's head. Couldn't get the
goalkeeper. Very fortunate.
Still on the front foot, and that was a crude challenge on Jota, who felt that down the back of his Achilles. It was a naughty one really from Montiel.
Yeah. He touched the ball.
He's back on it now. Stevenson does well. Robust. Looks to start Sevilla off again here. Slight. Ball ends up in nothing from a Sevilla perspective.